Xo'sh, amsa mushu 49 darsimizningki oxiri hamda 50 dars nima desanlar? He likes but he doesn't like. U amroq, lekin uningki u mandan narsa amroq, lekin uning mandan narsa bilan qanday xush yo'q. And like amroq doesn't like degan nima desanlar? Xush yo'q. Xo'sh, amsa bugungi yangi so'zlarni o'rganib boqaylik. Birinchisi nimaga bolalar? Tomato. Okay? Tomato. And the meaning bir necha so'z ekan shu nomi? Tomatoes. Bu nima deymiz sanlar? Toes. Oxiri o bilan oxirlashgan so'zlarga nima qattiq bo'lar? Yes, now tomatoes. Okay? Tomatoes. Tomatoes deganimiz nima sanlar? Sho'xlar, pomidor. What about this? Potatoes. Okay, they are potatoes. And the ma'lum nima sanlar? Yangyular. Yangyular degan nima deymiz? Potatoes. Okay, potatoes. Pomidor, tomatoes, maucho, potatoes. Okay, what about this? This is a cabbage. And the bunun name is like cabbage. Cabbage. Okay, cabbage. Deganimiz mush qalliq basaning name is cabbage deymiz. Cabbage. Okay, what about this? You know, this one is lettuce. Okay. And bu nima lettuce is? Bu nima desanlar Uyg'urcha yeshilsa, mushu ko'rinadi. Lettuce. Wow, what about this? This is peas. Okay, you know, peas. Okay, and the peas deganimiz nima desanlar? Purchaq. Purchaq. Shunami? Mushu purchaq nima? Peas. What about that? That one, beans. Mr. Bean that one, you know, beans. Okay, and the beans degan nima bo'ldi? Desanlar purchaq. Shunami? Shikil o'xshashlan purchaq tipidagi. Okay, and the majo pears. Good. This one is pears. All right. And next bit, pears. Amot. Okay. What about this? This one is grape. Grapes. Okay. You know, grapes. Turpandan imstanlan? Grape. Good. What about this? This is peaches. Peaches. And we share peaches again. Shaptul. Shaptul again. Peaches. Okay. You know, another more words such as, you know, garlic, okay, garlic, and the garlic deganimiz nima desanlar? Samsaq. Samsaq degan nima deymiz desanlar? Garlic deymiz. And the piyaz degan nima desanlar? Onion, okay, onion degan nima desanlar? Shu nima? Piyaz. And the eggplants, okay, eggplants. And the tum o'simlik bor, no, bu cheese degan gap, bu Uyg'urcha. Okay, and then next one is carrots. And the thousand name is carrot. Carrot name is sauza. And the thousand is watermelon. Okay, watermelon. Watermelon name is tavus. Onun ki qoğun name is sweet melon. Misharika sweet name is tatlık degan gapçı. And the sweet melon bo'lsa bu qo'g'in. And a pineapple, okay, pineapple, ananas, shnama, bolo deb qo'yamiz bu, pineapple, okay. Next one is strawberries, okay, strawberries. Bu bo'ljurgan, yeyishlikka strawberries. And bir danliq bir telefon bor, bu uning markasini nima desanlar? Blackberry. And black degan qora berries, demak qora bo'ljurgan. Blackberries. Okay, what about this? Coconuts. Okay, coconuts. Coconut. Cooks. Coconuts. Okay, and the next one is mangoes. Okay, mangoes. Mangoes. Mango. Mangoes. So, you know, lots of vegetables such as potatoes, lettuce, peas, tomatoes, carrots. Fruits such as beans, cabbage, eggplants, onions, garlic. And that lots of fruits. Watermelon. Okay, watermelon. I want to just strawberries, pears, peach, pineapple. Okay, pineapple. Orange, apple, banana, mangoes, cherry. Okay, endi mana cherryni unutib qoldik. Endi bu yerga cherry deganimiz mana glass. Glass. Jungoni bir danglik mashina markasi bor-ku, cherry, QQ mashina. Shu cherry deganimiz naqshi. Nima cherry degan gap. Xo'sh, let's practice. Qaranglar, buningda hamda I like. Okay. What about you? Masalan, I like blah 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 blah. Qaranglar, masalan, I like nima? I like pears, but I don't like peaches. Okay. Men nashib tutgan biroq, lekin nima? Shoptil bilan qanday xusham yo'q. Qaranglar, and likes tomatoes, doesn't like potatoes. And somehow qaranglar, mana adamning ismiga. Okay. Anaqa o'g'il bola nimaga amroq ekan? Okay, he likes tomatoes, but he doesn't like what? He doesn't like potatoes. Lekin uni yo'q xushi yo'q ekan. Okay. And he likes mangoes, but he doesn't like pineapples. And yana bir diqqat qiladigan nuqtamiz nima desam, like ma'lum bir narsa ismlarning cho'qim ko'pligini ishlatamiz. Masalan, I like apple olmaydi, na? I like apples. Men olmalar amroq. Mushkilamatiklik jihatda cho'qim ko'pligini ishlatamiz. What about her? You know, she likes peas, but she doesn't like beans. Like she likes strawberries, but she doesn't like coconuts. Coconuts. Okay? You know, he likes cabbage, but he doesn't like lettuce. You know, he likes pears, you know, he doesn't like peaches. Demek endi mishada sanag'ini bo'lmaydigan bo'lib qolsa, asqatmasaqmi bo'laverdi. O'zi kesib bo'laverdi. Masalan, he likes carrots, but he doesn't like pineapples. Okay, good. Andan mishariki bir necha misollar bor, savollar. Masalan, Tim orange, not grapes. Shunaman? Does Tim like orange? They say, yes, he does. He likes orange, but he doesn't like grapes. Masalan, bizning kitobimizda mashhurim bor-ku. Masalan, Penny lamb, not steak deydi. Does Penny like lamb? Penny nimaga amroq? Qo'y go'shtiga amroq? Yes, he does. She likes lamb, but she doesn't like steak. Lekin u steakdan qanday xushi yo'q. And the skin says, Sam, peaches, not apples. And does Sam like peaches? Yes, he does. He likes peaches, but he doesn't like apples. Lekin nima u olma bilan qanday xush yo'q. Masalan, you beef, not chicken. Do you like beef? Yes, I do. I like beef, but I don't like chicken. Lekin mening nima bilan xusham yo'q? Chicken. To'g'ri go'sht bilan xusham yo'q. Xo'sh, savollarga qaranglar. Shu eng yaxshi to'g'ri javobni bir tanlab qo'yinglar. Masalan, Sarah is a nice girl. Anne is a nice girl. Name is either two, but Anne. Anne maqadar sanal bir yaxshi savol. Shunami? And two deymiz. Anne is a nice girl too. Masalan, peas and blah 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 are vegetables. And the mushlarning ichida qaysilari sayko'k tatib keldi balla. Apples, tomatoes, pears, eggs. Okay, of course, not tomatoes. You know, pears and tomatoes. Tomatoes, pomidorlar, shunami? You know, which one does the gaga like? Mushlarning qaysini hamda gaga amroq ekan? The red one. Okay. The green one. Endi boshqasi qaysi amroq dedi shunami? Cho'qim birini tanlay. Demak, ikkisining ichida birisi menda tanlash bo'lsa, or green one. Manda qilgan gap. So choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. Okay. Hi guys, that's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye.